आ आ
Hi children, this is the revision 2, standard 4th standard, subject science subject. Okay, in this revision we are discussing some short question answers and long question answers. Okay, let us start. The sixth main question is answer the following questions. As in the sixth main, the first one is what type of clothes do we wear in the winter? Answer is we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Second question, name the uniforms worn by people in the following professions. Doctor, lawyer, pilot and soldier. Yes, the uniforms worn by these peoples: white coats, doctor, white coats, lawyer, black coats, pilot, t-shirt, cap, trousers, jacket and ties, soldiers, special uniforms that made of tough materials. Okay, these type of uniforms owned by people. Owned by these peoples. Okay, the third question is define the term dry cleaning. Answer, dry cleaning is the process of cleaning clothes with chemicals. It is used for delicate cloths which degrade in winter. Is what is the dry cleaning? Dry cleaning is the process of cleaning cloths with chemicals. It is used for delicate cloths which degrade in winter season. Next, the fourth question is what do you mean by the term storm? Answer, when the speed of air is high, it is called storm. Okay, the storm is very harmful. It uprooted the trees and shattered the roofs. So what is storm? When the speed of air is high, that is called storm. Next, fifth one is define evaporation. Answer, the process in which water changes into water vapor is called evaporation. The process in which water changes into water vapor, that is called evaporation. Next, sixth question, define matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space, that is called matter. Seventh one, in which state of matter is the force of attraction between the molecules strongest and weak? Answer for the seventh question, forces of attraction between the molecules are strongest in solids and weakest in gases. As in the gas state, the matter is the force of attraction between the molecules strongest and weakest. Next, eighth one, define pollution and name the different types of pollutions. Okay, this is the long question answer. Okay, from the eighth question, there are the 4 long question answers. So, answer for the eighth one, pollution means contamination of air, land and water that bring down the natural quality of the environment. There are the 3 types of pollution. These are land pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Next, the ninth question is give any 3 differences between solids, liquids and gases. Okay, there are the 3 columns. One for solids, one for liquids and one more for gases. So in the solid column, they are rigid, they have definite shape and volume, they cannot flow. Okay, these characters for solids. And next, move to the second column, that is the liquids. They are not rigid, they have definite volume but no definite shape. The third one character is they can flow from higher level to lower level. Next, the third column is gases. They are not rigid, they have neither definite shape nor definite volume, but they have the definite mass. Next, the third characteristic is they can flow in all directions as compared to the liquid. Gas can flow in all direction. Next, the 10th question is define sublimation. What are the examples of sublimation? The process by which a solid directly changes into a gas is called sublimation. For example, naphthalene balls, dry ice. Okay, these are the two examples for sublimation process. Next, the last question, 11th one. What do you mean by solar system? Answer: a group of heavenly bodies compressing the sun in the center and the 8 planets is called solar system. Okay, these are the long question answers. The question number 7. Draw and label the diagram of life cycle of butterfly. Okay, this is the long question answer. It comes in the part C. So you have to draw neatly and label the parts of life cycle of butterfly. Then next question is life cycle of cockroach. So you have to draw neatly and label the parts. The C question is parts of an egg. Yes, there are the 4 parts: egg white, embryo, yolk and eggshell. So draw neatly with colorful sketch pens or crayons and label the parts. D question is process of photosynthesis. During in sunlight, the plants make their food. That process is called photosynthesis. They are using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. They reproduce oxygen and glucose. Next, E question is life cycle of housefly. So draw it neatly and label the life cycle of housefly. Okay, the last question in the question number 7, that is parts of a leaf. Okay, there are the 5 parts: petiole, midrib, lamina, side veins and apex. So draw it neatly and label the parts of a leaf. Okay children, this is the revision 2 for the 4th standard. Keep practicing, keep smiling and keep exploring. Bye. Take care.